Hello, good morning children. Welcome back to the moral science class. In my last video, I had taught you safety matters. Okay, Unit 3 safety matters. Today we'll do the revision of this chapter. I hope you all have gone through this chapter very well. Okay, once again, you all open your book and read with me. Okay, prevention is better than cure is a famous proverb. It indicates that one should be very careful to avoid problems and troubles. Okay, you have to remember the spellings. If you can stop something bad happening to you, do it now itself. Never think you will deal with it later. In that case, it will surely lead to the loss of time, energy, and money. So, in overall, we understand from this always take prevention or precaution. Okay, it is better than cure. Okay, if you take precaution or prevention, you will not get into any type of problems or troubles. We can avoid that problem. Okay, and always do it now or itself. When you found some problem is going to happen going to happen to you, so do that it now itself only to avoid that problem. Okay, because it will lead to the loss of time, energy, and money. If the problem will increase, then it will also take more time to get rid of that problem. Okay, to come out of that problem. So, always avoid problems and troubles. Okay, then we can frame a question here. I had told you, write some safety rules at home. Write some safety rules at home. What are the safety rules at home, children? Here in this page, all the safety rules are written that you have to remember. Okay, do not play with fire, do not play with electricity, do not run very fast here and there, never push anyone from behind, do not play near a well, avoid jumping down from high places, do not climb on trees. Okay, so these are the safety rules at home. At least you have to remember 5 safety rules at home. Okay, so now in the next page, what we have learned, some safety rules on road. Okay, write some safety rules on road. What are the safety rules on the road? First point, answer here. Right on the left side of the road, you got right and right left here. Walk on the footpath. Use zebra crossing to cross the road. When crossing the road, look both the sides. Do not run across the road. Do not play on the road. And next page you can see, follow 3 rules of crossing. What are the 3 rules? Stop, look, and listen. Follow the signal lights. What are the signal lights? Red, yellow, and green. Wear helmet or seat belt when traveling. Never get into or get off a moving vehicle. Do not put your hands or head out through the window of a vehicle. Do not pass behind parked vehicle. When the vehicle is standing or parked at some places, so do not go from behind, because you don't know when it will start moving back. Okay, so here like this you have to write the question. Okay, see, write some safety rules at home. The points like this you have to write. Okay, write some safety rules on road. Here the points that I have written from the book. What are the safety rules on the road? Okay, next is your story. One story was there, the town mouse and the village mouse. Okay, so what was the story about? Have you understood the story, children? What was the story? The story was about mice. One mouse was from living in town, another mouse was living in the village. They both were very good friends. Okay. One day the town mouse came to the village to meet his friend. Okay. When he came to the village mouse, what he arranged? Some sweet potato and corn for dinner for his friend. Okay. But the town mouse was not happy with this food. Okay. Because he was used to with some delicious food available in the city life. Okay. So what happened? The town mouse invited the village mouse one day. You come with me to the town and you see you can get very nice food there. Okay. So the village mouse we also call as country mouse. Okay, country mouse means the village mouse. So when the village mouse reached the town, he was really surprised, very happy and surprised to see the tall buildings and the fast moving vehicles. Okay, and when they are ready for dinner, what happened? What happened? Do you remember? That day, when they are ready to eat, okay, the food served on the table, a very fat lady came and chased them away with a broom. Okay, you can see the picture here. Okay, the lady is chasing the mouse away. Then they ran because to save their life, they ran, and finally they got tired and sat near a window to take rest. But there also, they didn't take rest properly. Why? Because a cat appeared. And cat is an enemy of mouse. So a cat appeared in the window and the mice ran out of the house. Mice, the plural of mouse is mice. One mouse but two mice. Okay. So while crossing the road, they found themselves in front of a car. Okay, here also they are not safe. When they were running very fast to save their life, they came in front of a car. But somehow they managed to get to the other side, and it was a narrow escape. Okay, so very carefully they have to cross the road. And at last the village mouse was tired of looking all these things happen in town. And what he told? Ki I'm going. I like my simple food in safety than this grand feast in such a danger. Because the city life, the town life is full of danger. Always you have to face some types of problems. Okay? But the village life is simple life, out of danger. It is safe. So here ends the story about the town mouse and the village mouse. Okay, and here you have to write what is the moral. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is safety is the most important thing in life. Okay, if you have not written, write this and learn also, children. And next page I had told you to learn to draw these signals. Okay, red, yellow and traffic signals, red, yellow and green. And what does the red signal mean? It means stop, yellow means wait, and green means to move or go. And in the last page you have flashing light signals. You must have seen when there is a foggy weather or rainy season, when it rains heavily, you go with your father in a car, your father must have used flashing signals. Okay, flashing signals means to stop, watch and move safely. Okay, what does it mean? Stop, watch and move safely. And in the last page you had activity question answers. You had which proverb indicate the importance of being careful? Prevention is better than cure. What happens when one doesn't take enough precaution? One can get into a problem. Prevention is better than does cure. C-U-R-E, cure. We should avoid problems and troubles. Do not play near a well. Then true, false. Children should always play with fire. False. Red signal indicates stop. True. Walk in the middle of the road. False. Okay. I hope once again you must have revised the lesson and check all the question answers that I had done. Okay. See. What are the, yes, you see here. Write the moral of the lesson. Okay. Same question I have written in a paper, or for your practice, if you want, you can write in copy and do practice. And next page, what are the flashing signals for? It means stop. See, it means stop, watch and move safely. Who is proverb? This also I discussed now. Prevention is better than cure. Then one can get into a problem. If one doesn't take enough precaution, one can get into a problem. And here see the fill-ups and true false also. Okay. So read the chapter 2 to 3 times so that you can get in easily all the spellings. Okay. And understand the lesson very well, children. So this was your revision of the chapter 3, unit 3, safety matters. Hope you are doing well.